me the respect. Saying why does it always happen to me? Mr. Raymond entourage and he brings his family. Saying why does it always happen to me? Hey, Mr. Rain, won't you ever let me be? Won't you come back on underneath? The trees are still pulling, and I'm soaked to the skin. Feel like a slice of lemon.